In this video, we show how to replace a fan on a PowerEdge XR4510c sled. Before removing the fan, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the XR4510c service manual at dell.com/support. In order to remove the fan, you must first remove the cover. To remove the cover, while pressing the two blue release tabs, rotate and lift the cover. To remove a fan, while holding the latch, pull the fan handle to disengage it from the guiding pin, and then lift to release the fan handle. Next, disconnect the fan cable from the system board. At this point, lift the fan module out of the fan cage and away from the system. To install the fan, lower it into the cage until firmly seated. Next, plug the fan cable into the system board and route the cables to prevent them from being pinched or crimped. While holding the blue latch, rotate the fan handle and then push it to engage the guide pin. To install the cover, align the cover with the T-nuts on the sled. Rotate and press down on the top cover until the cover locks into place. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.